Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and a lot of you asked me, like, hey man, how do you install the firmware update for the Osmo Pocket? And it's actually very simple. All I did, I attached the Osmo Pocket to my iPhone. I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus. Attached it to the iPhone using the included lightning style connector. And then after I attached it, I powered it on. And when I powered it on, since I've got the app installed for the Osmo Pocket on my iPhone, it automatically launched the app, which was super cool. But then it automatically recognized, hey, there's new firmware, and it says installing the latest firmware version. Currently it's 51% complete. So how user-friendly is that? I know a lot of us have grown accustomed to firmware updates being a headache. Sometimes you got to do a lot of workarounds. As bad as I hate to say it, and this is just a testament to how well I feel that DJI handles firmware updates. But with Sony Alpha, for example, that's the type of camera that I'm filming this video with. Sony Alpha camera updates have been a pain, and especially after upgrading to macOS Mojave, which is the latest macOS version, a lot of those there's been a lot of manual processes outside of just clicking install. So, the fact that, that this is a true testament to how well DJI handles it, because all I had to do is power it on, plug it in, power it on. It launched the app. It said, hey, you need to update your firmware. It's installing the update. So how cool is that? Oh, and if you don't have an Osmo Pocket yet, expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find where to order the Osmo Pocket and the various accessories. And I've got a lot of review videos. If you're kind of on the fence, well, what's the video quality look like? Is it stable? Check out my videos and see for yourself how it performs. That's one thing that, here on Our Skies Adventure channel, I like to keep things real. I enjoy this stuff, but just because I enjoy stuff doesn't mean that you will share the same opinions, and that's perfectly okay. So, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon, check out all my videos, and, tell me what you think. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Our Skies Adventure channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.